would like to guide that since there were a dubious sale agreement, all those things happen. If in the event that there were all those things, and you also responded that you were not even aware. So to attempt that one may actually undermine your integrity. You have, in my view, ably represented the integrity of our secretariat, so we must proceed in that way. You may take the rest. Over to you.
Thank you very much, Chairperson and the committee. I think the question from Zomba City North on best practices, I think this was directed to procurement. And the terms of reference on a job done for 10 days, done in 2 days, and whether the procurement detected some fraud. I think he also respond as they were presented to him. Thank you.
Honour members, I think it's getting late, and this is somewhere around 7:15. We are yet to do with the new board, okay? But we are here. Honourable member, I need to also be seen to start providing security. So I really need honour members to understand me on that one. I may not come out that clear because of good information and everything. They may want to retire and relax. But colleagues from our Secretariat for Pension Fund would like to appreciate the efforts that you've given to this inquiry, your contributions. But before anything, you may proceed